Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The US dollar trades heavily against all major currencies, with the exception of the euro and Norwegian krone. Firmer are emerging market currencies, too. European markets are suffering small losses and US futures are not changing. However, the risk appetites appear subdued. Although most major bourses in Asia-Pacific advanced, Japan and Hong Kong are the leaders. The recent cap of $1,800 is still below gold, but gold is strong. September WTI settled at $90.75 yesterday, but is struggling to hold higher than $90 today in advance of EIA short-term outlook later this afternoon. Asian Pacific market. China has limited trade embargo power to punish Taiwan. China declared it would curb shipments of fish, fruits, and sand, but this was symbolic. Tomorrow's announcement by Japan's Prime Minister Kishida of a cabinet reshuffle will be made. However, it appears that the move is driven more by domestic political considerations and not policy. However, Kishida may be able to have a more free hand if there is a redistribution of the key factions. Today's dollar trades in a range of about half a yen below JPY 135.15, which is well within yesterday's range. Yesterday, the Australian dollar briefly climbed above $0.7000 but has remained below that level in consolidative sessions so far. Market of Europe. Germany is on fire. This is the hottest year on record. The Rhine River is so low, barges have to raise their lows in order to pass. The Green Economic Minister was forced to increase coal use to generate electricity by circumstances and may have to change his long-standing principled opposition to nuclear energy. Yesterday's sight deposit increase was reported by the Swiss National Bank at CHF 6.8 trillion. This was the first increase in sight deposits in 3 weeks and the third since April. This was the biggest increase since July 2020. Despite the expectation of a Fed increase by 75 BP next month, the euro has remained remarkably resilient. It is now at $1.0250. It was just shy of 1.03 last week. Sterling is quiet but firm. It is within yesterday's range, which was within last Friday's range. Market of America. According to the Fed's Consumer Expectations Survey, inflation expectations have declined over the past 3 and 5 years. These results were lower than market expectations expressed in break-even rates. The U.S. reports its second quarter non-farm productivity data and unit labor costs. These are not directly measured, but can be deduced using second quarter GDP data. As more people worked, but less output was produced, this would indicate that productivity has fallen. This means that unit labor costs increased. These data points are often reacted by the markets. Today, the greenback is at CAD 1.2875 but has not been higher. Support may be close by at 1.2820. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.